So formal, like hello, is that the exercises, maybe the explanation, what would you like to be more? Where, like V,
Where?
like English V.
It's where.
Where.
Okay.
So formal, like hello, is здрасте.
Здрасте.
Good.
Здрасте.
Здрасте. Пока-пока.
Пока-пока.
Your goals, your brothers mentioned that you decided to learn Russian because you're applying to college, medical college, right?
Yeah.
And you need also for medical purposes.
Yeah, I need it.
So it's going to be medical Russian, right?
Yeah, right.
Okay. So, but first we need to get into the basics. Okay, your native language is?
Hindi and English.
So first let's do basic words, basic phrases for you to say goodbye, to make new friends, to meet people, to greet them. And here it's written in English alphabet, because we didn't take Russian, but we need some lessons, So a little bit warming up. How to say hello and how to say goodbye. There's a formal way and informal way. So formal, like hello, is здрасте.
Здрасте.
Good. Здрасте. Or informal, like hi, привет.
Привет.
Yeah, привет. Yeah, good. Informal. And here is three ones depending on the daytime. Yeah. If it is morning, you say доброе утро.
Доброе утро. Is that right?
Good. You sound great.
Yeah. Thank you.
You sound great. Okay. Добрый день.
Добрый день. Is that right?
Yeah. Yeah. Добрый день is good afternoon. And that's an interesting thing. Is this one? It is in every Slavic language is the same. So if you go to Poland, you can say добрый день, and it's good. It's like below there as well. And the добрый вечер.
Добрый вечер.
Yeah, вечер.
Вечер. I'm not able to say that.
Yeah. Can you pronounce the v? Just the v.
Добрый вечер. Is that right?
Yeah, almost. You use вечер, like in English.
Okay.
But it's a v, like in a word village. Yeah, v. Can you say вечер?
Вечер. Вечер.
No, not вечер, but вечер.
Вечер.
Yeah, you touch your upper teeth with your lip. Yeah, v.
Вечер. I'm really sorry. I'm not going perfect with that.
It's okay. It's okay for now. Okay. Still, it's understandable. Yeah. Okay. And goodbye is до свидания.
До свидания.
Now you pronounce it до свидания. You pronounce good. It's v. Yeah, до свидания.
До свидания.
And вечер.
Вечер.
Yeah. It's interesting because you pronounce до свидания with correct v here, до свидания. And here you say вечер.
Вечер.
Not вечер, but вечер.
Вечер.
Вечер, yeah. Okay. And до свидания is like, again, it's formal. It's like goodbye. And say bye is пока.
Bye what?
Пока.
Пока.
Here. Can you see it, or maybe it's covered with some bars? Can you see пока?
No, can you do it upwards?
Okay.
Пока. Okay, it's пока.
No, пока. Or like bye-bye. Пока-пока.
Пока-пока. Is that right?
So, the stress placement on the last syllable.
Okay.
Пока, пока.
Paka, paka.
Yeah, good. Пока, пока. Okay. So, that word, greeting word, so formal, like hello, is здрасте.
Здрасте.
Good.
Здрасте.
Здрасте. Or informal, like hi, yeah, привет.
Привет.
You can also add thank you. Maybe you already know this word, no? Спасибо.
Спасибо.
Yeah.
Okay.
Good.
That sounds
Хорошо.
interesting.
Yeah, хорошо. And what's спасибо in Hindi?
What?
What's the Hindi for спасибо? Thank you.
Okay, for thank you. For goodbye. Like,
Yeah. Thank you.
for thank you, we say dhanyavad.
So can you repeat after me? That is A,
A,
B,
B,
this one, V,
B,
V, like V,
V.
like English
It's
V,
a V.
V.
Okay.
G,
Not clear?
G,
G.
right,
Okay.
yeah. It's also nice if you build up like associations with this, like what they look like to you. For example, this one looks a little bit like here is angle, like looks like a gun. So gun starts with g, so g.
G.
Yeah, so some kind of associations
We
that
can
help you
connect
to
through that.
memorize.
Yeah. Right, I got it.
Yeah. Next one. This is like basement, and this is like house. So house in Russian is dom. Dom.
Dom.
Yeah, and it starts with d. Here is d.
Okay. Got that. Dom.
Okay. Yeah, dom. D. This is yeah.
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 Okay. This one. Your.
I'm not clear with the sound.
This yeah, and this is your.
Yo.
Good.
Okay.
This one. What it looks like to you.
It's something like an what? A watch, an hourglass watch.
Also, I guess it's a little bit similar. Like looks like a fly, which makes fuzzy noise. So zh, it's zh.
Je.
Yeah, so it's zh. Okay. This is which looks like number 3 is z.
Z.
So let's compare z and zh.
Z and sh.
Good. Okay. E.
E.
E. This one. Y.
Y.
Just like the first element of this one. This is y, and this is just y.
Y and y. Okay.
Good. This is k.
K.
L.
L.
M.
M.
N.
N.
O.
O.
Yeah, you can see that N looks like H, but it's N. Yeah, and
No.
and this is looks like a little bit like N, but it's E. Yeah. Okay. So let's revise and practice. Maybe we can role play a little bit. Yeah, like greetings. You know, we can try with this help. Yeah, again. So, здрасте.
Здрасте. Is that right?
Привет, привет,
Zdraste.
да, привет. Yeah, or we can say, what's the time now for you?
It's, I guess, just a second. It's 4:40.
So it's, what would you pick? Доброе утро, добрый день, or добрый вечер?
It's afternoon for us. Dobre den. It's dobre den.
Добрый день,
Dobre
right?
den. Yeah.
Добрый день. Okay, let's get acquainted again. Как тебя зовут?
Как тебя зовут?
Меня зовут Алекс. Как тебя зовут?
Меня зовут Vaishnavi.
Очень приятно, Вайшнави. Как дела?
Как дела? Как
Yeah.
So here
Как
we are
дела?
having a
Хорошо.
conversation.
Yeah, like we have this conversation, right?
Okay.
Как дела? Хорошо, спасибо. Yeah, good, thank you. Хорошо, спасибо.
I don't remember the word.
It's okay, it's in the chat, you can see it also. In the chat. Yeah, хорошо, спасибо. Спасибо is thank you. It's like thank, like fine, thank you.
Хорошо.
Yeah,
Спасибо.
like great.
Спасибо.
That's great. Again, let's revise it one more time and then role play. Okay, like we first met, yeah, first time see each other and role play. Okay, so we can use привет, right? Hi.
Okay. Здрасте.
Здрасте. Yeah,
Здрасте.
привет.
Yeah.
Yeah, hello. Okay. Доброе утро.
Доброе утро.
Добрый день.
Добрый день. Okay. Добрый вечер. Вечер. I was
Вечер.
вечер.
Yeah.
Вечер.
It's okay. Yeah.
Вечер.
Вечер. До свидания.
До свидания.
Good. You actually sound better and better. Yeah. And пока.
Пока.
Good. Or пока-пока. Bye-bye.
Пока-пока.
Good. Okay. What's your name? Как тебя зовут?
Меня зовут Vaishnavi.
You already respond, yeah? Okay. I just thought you repeated. Okay. So, and can you say как тебя зовут?
Как тебя зовут?
Yeah. Меня зовут Алекс. Очень приятно.
Как дела?
Yeah.
Do you have to spell?
Хорошо, спасибо.
Yeah. Хорошо.
Хорошо, спасибо. Как дела? Вайшнави, как дела? You can say also хорошо.
Хорошо.
Good. Okay. And how we say goodbye again?
What?
How do you say goodbye again?
I just need to see it. Спасибо. I get
At the beginning. Спасибо is thank you, and goodbye, we can short one. Пока.
Пока. I'm sorry.
Yeah, пока-пока or до свидания.
Yeah. I'll take time to keep that in my memory.
It's okay. I sent you this presentation for you to revise some phrases. To remember them, right? You can actually also, to memorize them, you can make like flashcards. You know how to make them.
Okay.
You take sticky notes, yeah?
Yeah.
We can do like some feedback, what is comfortable for you, about the exercises maybe, the explanation, what would you like to be more during the lesson, or maybe less? Like,
Okay, so it was really like I was really inquisitive about to learn this language. I was really excited, and that excitement was worth it because I really enjoyed learning the language, and you are a great mentor for that, and I really enjoyed. So,
and you pronounce them well. That was the point, to introduce you to this new alphabet,
yeah,
to introduce you to this new phrases, and what they mean, their meaning, yeah, and so give you some exercises to for you to memorize this. So does it work?
okay, so this is all what I have to practice.
Yeah, this is your your home assignment. So this is a link for the game, and read this short document if you can. Actually, if you don't have the software to open this in your computer, you can read that online. You can open that with your browser.
Sure,
So I'll be glad to see you again, and it
sure,
was
I'll
nice
be
to
too.
meet you.
Thank you,
Yeah,
Alex.
thank you for your attention. Yeah,
Thank you so much. It was a great.
paka paka.
Paka
Yeah,
paka.
thank you very much. Paka paka.
Say hello to GMU, the one-stop shop for all your admission needs. We introduce you to the finest universities and help find the best fit based on your profile. We help with applications and assist with documentation, visas and even accommodation. With over a decade's worth of experience, 40 university partners in 10 countries worldwide and more than 5,000 satisfied students, GMU does it all. Fix a meeting with us today.